Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
We've just finished unboxing the brand new Honor Win, and as part of the Honor GT lineup, this time Honor even switched up the naming. After checking out the specs and then looking back at the name, it honestly makes a lot of sense. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Honor Win comes packed with the biggest battery you can currently find in a smartphone, a massive 10,000 mAh Qinghai solid-state battery. While plenty of brands have been talking about ultra-large batteries this year, Honor, known for its long history and expertise in battery tech, has clearly taken the lead. But this phone isn't just about endurance. Even with that huge 10,000 mAh battery inside, it's built to be a serious gaming powerhouse. There's an independent cooling fan on board, paired with a clean, understated design. You also get IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, so it keeps performance high without compromising on daily practicality. Up front, you're looking at a 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED flat display that delivers a crisp, distraction-free viewing experience, along with a 185 Hz refresh rate, which feels right at home on a device like this. For eye comfort, the Honor Win uses the Oasis Eye Protection Screen, supporting ultra-high 5920 Hz PWM dimming, plus circularly polarized light eye protection technology. Now let's talk about the real star of the show, that 10,000 mAh battery. This is currently the largest capacity you'll find in a commercially available smartphone, and it's also the first phone to officially break the 10,000 mAh barrier. Honor really proves its reputation as a battery specialist here, jumping from 8,000 mAh straight to 10,000 mAh. At this point, it practically doubles as a power bank in your pocket. As for real-world battery performance, we tested it by running Genshin Impact at max graphics and 60 FPS for 30 minutes with the cooling fan turned on. The battery dropped by only about 5%, which means you can game hard without constantly stressing about your charge level. On top of that, the Honor Win doesn't just last long. It charges fast too, with support for 100-watt wired fast charging and 80-watt wired flash charging. Starting at just 5%, it climbed to 15% in only 5 minutes, showing impressively quick emergency top-ups. After 15 minutes, it reached 37%, which already provides plenty of usable power considering the massive battery size. At the 30-minute mark, it hit 67%, meaning nearly 2/3 of that huge capacity was filled in just half an hour, highlighting its excellent charging efficiency. In the end, a full charge took 66 minutes, which is seriously fast for a phone carrying a 10,000 mAh battery. When it comes to raw performance, the Honor Win absolutely delivers. It's powered by the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Ultra, paired with LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.1 storage. On paper, that's classic flagship hardware, but while the core setup feels familiar, everything around it definitely doesn't. This time, every Honor Win model comes equipped with Honor's Dongfeng Turbo main control cooling system. It uses a smaller, lighter, and faster independent fan that sends airflow directly onto the chipset. Even with this active cooling built in, the phone still manages to keep full IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistance, which is honestly pretty impressive. In real-world testing, with the fan switched on, Genshin Impact ran at a steady 60 FPS on high settings for a full 30 minutes, and the highest temperature we saw was around 35 degrees Celsius. Keep in mind, this is running on the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. On most other phones using the same chip, you'd usually see temps hitting 40 to 45 degrees under similar conditions. That 5-degree gap might not sound huge, but it makes a massive difference in actual gameplay. Once a phone goes past 40 degrees, it feels genuinely hot in your hand, while around 35 degrees, it just feels warm. Thanks to the built-in fan, performance also stays stable during long gaming sessions, helping avoid throttling, stutters, or sudden crashes. Beyond performance, the Honor Win also brings a well-rounded set of flagship features. You get 3D ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking, dual 12/16 stereo speakers, and a triple rear camera system made up of a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with triple resolution imaging, and an ultra-wide lens. It's a standard high-end camera layout, but tuned to shine in key areas. And even though the Honor Win packs the biggest 10,000 mAh battery currently available in a smartphone, it's not really meant to be just a battery phone. phone. Instead, it's positioned as a super flexible esports flagship driven by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Despite that gaming focus, the design stays clean and restrained rather than going over the top. So who is the Honor Win actually for? It's pretty straightforward. If you love gaming, enjoy intense ranked matches with friends, and don't want your frame rates dropping because of heat buildup, if you want sustained high performance instead of great power for the first few minutes followed by slowdown, or if you care about massive battery life but don't want to compromise on flagship level speed, then the Honor Win is a fantastic option. As for pricing, the base version of the Honor Win starts in China at 3,999 yuan, which works out to roughly 424 pounds in the UK and about $572 in the US. That's it for today. See you in the next video.